today. I'm gonna do an unboxing of my new alternator, guys. Bought it from eBay. It said OEM, of course. So I think I have it upside down. Not too sure. My alternator went out like a week ago. They had some delays. I don't know what's going on with the shipping company. It was shipped by FedEx. I don't know what's going on, why it had a delay. But is I'm opening this right? Alright, seems pretty protected. Hopefully you guys can see. You know, we got the bunch of cushion, protector, cushion. Perfect. I like that. So here it is. Heavy. Of course, I don't expect it's supposed to be light. And here it is. Supposed to go in like this way, because this is the connector right here. Right here is the positive side connect. Excuse me. This is where the top bolt goes to. At the bottom, this is the pain. This bottom this bottom bolt right here is a pain. If you don't have the right socket, you're gonna need like a swivel socket to get it out and to install it back. The bottom one is a pain, I'm not gonna lie. If you don't have the right tool, you're not gonna get the bottom socket out. The bottom screw out, the bottom bolt, sorry. Not gonna get it out, but it's brand new. I was expecting they put some type of paper or some kind of instructions, even though it's not a big deal how to install it. But yeah, guys, brand new OEM. Got it off eBay, less than $100. So it was like $99 and change. So it still was on the $100. Advance and Auto Parts, O'Reilly's have their brand for like starting price like $200. Even though it's like $195 or something, with the tax it's gonna run it up to like $200 and change. And this I got it on $100, so can't beat it. Brand new. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. If you're new, hit that like button, hit that comment, let me know what you think. I always tell people, don't just jump and spend your money. If you have time on your hands and you're not in a rush, if you have the money and you're in your rush, I don't blame you. Do what you gotta do. But if you don't, shop online. Go on eBay, look for those genuine parts, look for OEM parts. The best part that's for your car, for your vehicle. Order it yourself. You gotta install it yourself, or, and a matter of fact, I'm gonna do this myself because obviously I can't drive the car without the alternator. The battery's not gonna get the recharge. So I'm gonna install it myself. And also, if I had the money, I would have just get a tow truck, get it towed to a mechanic shop, and spend more money to get it installed. But since I don't have the money to do it, I'm gonna do it myself and save money. So that's why I recommend you guys go on eBay or shop around, shop online, see where you can find the best bargain, and make sure you get a high, good quality, a genuine part, OEM part for your car, because the genuine one lasts longer than aftermarket. So that's all I got to share with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, hit that comment section, tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed and safe day until I upload that video of me basically installing the new alternator in my car. Peace, bye-bye, take care. And this is for a 2008 Toyota Avalon. Most likely it's going to be the same for the 2005 to the 2012. Probably newer as well too. Probably up to the 18 Toyota Avalon, and some Highlanders as well too, you know. But yeah, peace out, bye bye, take care, and God bless.
You grind me, you squeeze me.